Hello everyone, this is Li Chen from Semiotic. Today I want to talk about some of the gadgets we make. These are basically some components without processors or circuit boards. Users need to make their own circuit boards or find some solutions like Arduino to make them work with their own flight simulators. First are these levers. These are Cessna style levers. This one is the throttle lever. This one is the mixture lever. We made those levers exactly 1-to-1 scale to the real thing. They are made from aluminums, CNC, very beautiful. We even make the texture here on this piece of part is the friction control. We make the texture exactly the same as the real thing. In the means of functionalities, they are also identical to the real thing. You see this friction control? It works like as it should. Now you see it's tightened. The lever is very tight. I need to use a lot of force to move the lever. And now I loose it a little bit. Now it goes much easier. This mixture control is vernier control, means you can rotate the handle to make very small adjustment to this lever, and you cannot move the lever without pushing this button. Just work like the real thing. The one thing is different from the real lever is that we added a nut here to adjust the friction of this lever, because on the real plane the friction is decided by all those components behind the lever. Since we don't have those components attached to the engine, we added a nut here to adjust the friction. It works pretty much the same as the friction control on the throttle lever. We also have this propeller control. It's exactly the same as the mixture control, just with different handle. And those controls, those levers are attached to a potentiometer, a linear potentiometer, or a fader. When you use it, you do whatever you do to connect potentiometers to microprocessors and read the value from the potentiometers. Next one is the ignition key. It has 5 positions. Angle between each positions is 30 degrees, just like the real ignition key installed on the Cessna plane. Let me show you. Now it's the first position. You rotate 30 degrees for the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one. For the last position, it's spring-loaded. On the back of this component, there is a 6-pin connector. One is for ground, the other 5 pins are for the 5 positions, which you use to connect to the I/O ports of the microprocessor. Okay, this is the ignition key. Next, the circuit breaker. Of course, it's not a real circuit breaker because we need to control it from program. So inside this plastic box, we put in an electric magneto, which is able to powered by 5-watt USB power. Means it consumes a current about 1 amp. You can pull it out and push it in. On back of this, on this small thing, there is a 3-pin connector. 1 pin is ground, 1 pin is for the power to the electric magneto, and the other one is the output for the position of this circuit breaker. We have a tester here. I will show you how it works. You see there is a red button here. When I push the button, it will power the electric magneto and it'll pop out like this. And you see the green light here it means that the circuit breaker is tripped or is popped out. And when you push it in, the light goes off. That's how it works. By the way, we are going to attend this year's Flight Sim Expo. We are not actually going there because at this point I don't see it's possible for us to travel to San Diego. But we will send some of our products or prototype demo units there, and we will have our own booth. So if you are going to be there, you are very welcome to come to our booth and take a look at our products. Thanks for watching this video.